Well, thanks for tuning in tonight. I'm Mike Mahoney. The Carthage School District is experiencing an increase in online threats. KOAM's Bronte Sorotsky spoke with school district officials and local police to learn more.
The Carthage School District is dealing with multiple threats in just 2 weeks.
Last week we had a message come across many students' phones and social media that dealt with possible violence at school, but it wasn't directed to Carthage. It just happened to be our kids was spreading it, and that's how come we knew about it.
That threat, not directed at any particular school, had actually originated from Mount Vernon. Another threat occurring this week also was not directed at any particular school, but was found to have originated from the school district.
Neither threat mentioned specific place or availability of the weapon or the fight or anything, so it's pretty vague, and that's what made it pretty difficult to track down. We did have one that came across some social media sites earlier this week. So far, we've been reported to the police department. The police investigated.
Reports that originated here in Carthage of threats against the school. Some of them were very vague about what the threats were, and then upon investigation, one of them did have to deal with our school, and the other one ended up being out of our district.
The juvenile responsible for the post circulating from Carthage was identified and detained according to a Facebook post from the Carthage School District.
And then eventually led us to, the juvenile suspect that ultimately ended up saying that, he didn't mean to post it type thing.
Now, both Dr. Baker and the local PD are asking students to think before they post. In Carthage, Bronte Sorotsky, KOAM News.
The local police department and school district also ask parents to check their kids' social media accounts and make sure their kids understand the severity of making any threats.